Hello and welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. CM Elevate Conclave empowers entrepreneurs in Garo Hills region. Indian Forest Service officer found dead in apparent suicide. MLA Adalbert Nongrum criticizes state government during election canvassing. And Bonifilya Shillong felicitated for outstanding performance in SAF Under-16 Football Championship. Another news in detail. In a bid to foster entrepreneurship in the Garo Hills region, the CM Elevate Conclave was convened at the District Auditorium in Tura on March 13, 2024. Chief Minister Konrad K. Sangma, along with Deputy Speaker Timothy D. Shira, Ministers A.T. Mondal and Marcus N. Marak, and Lok Sabha member Agatha K. Sangma graced the event. Sangma emphasized the government's vision to achieve a 10 billion economy by 2028, stressing inclusive growth involving youth, women, farmers and entrepreneurs. The CM Elevate program, aimed at providing financial aid, entrepreneurship development and job creation, offers beneficiaries a subsidy of at least 50% of project costs. Initiatives like the Floriculture Mission and the IT Park in Tura, set to generate 5,000 jobs, underscore the commitment to economic advancement. Additionally, appointment letters for village data volunteers and sanction letters for various schemes were distributed, signifying a concerted effort towards holistic community development. Ngahanshang Luikam, a 2003 batch Indian Forest Service officer aged 50, was discovered deceased in his residence near Lady Keane College, Shillong. Luikam, serving as the chief conservator of forest in the state, was suspected to have taken his own life on March 13 at 7:30 a.m. Colleagues and friends rushed his body to the civil hospital for post-mortem examination. Chief Minister Konrad K. Sangma, Chief Secretary Donald P. Watlang, along with other state officials and Forest Department personnel, paid the respects to the departed officer. His body is set to be transported to Manipur for burial after the last rites. MLA Adalbert Nongrum of North Shillong constituency visited Umthlong Nongthleu village on March 13 to campaign for the VPP party's MP candidate in Umthlong market, falling within Mairang constituency. Nongrum criticized the state government, alleging their reluctance to conduct the scheduled MDC elections slated for March. He also stated that it is unfair for teachers who have not received their salaries for 6 months, while MDCs who are due for retirement are being granted extensions in their positions.
Wana mau parti orang penidor yang adu skim no, yang lebih cuci yang akhir tadi yang DC, hari KMP, dari tolong kian, hakai kamanca yang lawai kilom dia pasang. Kalau ni sorkar Khubor pilih, kamlur wa taman pulong election MDC, election MDC balik belum new March, mentau March, kali belum mentah Andre Kilara, kira extend anu dulu panai, palba kei kata kejumut. Kadau kadai tanah abanta ban adjustment hagertek juta television ban PI constituency ban sim katu kali nagi cakap bahaya ban yang sih cakap boleh kita approach kata boleh kita banta nadi Khubor ban kur ban somthai kini kita long pick kum kita kibala dei Khubor ban somthai jaga jing sakri kum ki officer hapo ka department jong ka sarkar Mereka masuk ke sungai mana extend lain mana, dari sampai umrai. Ini ke long pick, hasok ke kut sedon, yang mana ketika long mikmat ke joki, kita siap ini ke peta, kalau kami kapur, kalau kami kapur, kalau mana dia kapur makin sampai tempat mentah, kita dah kecil menjur, makin extend, kalau mana dia kapur, makin kut, mana turut ke joki di mentah, pai ba, kami dah usul ke mohon jom pai ba, dan dia ke extend sampai umrai. Nasi belum dipatrei dah homesel rumah naik kami turun live naik kami turun kena ikai bayi kejogi kita ikai ke SSC batway dia kita train nak bertahan sektor kalau bayi kikor kiti mereka kini kita ni Khubor ban kot ke samoy kita nak bikmat ke jongki how brai set apa yang cikot ke jongki dia mentah nak extend kini kita extend dapat ikan dau ban kadon ke nomrem makin extend dia kita mata Samla rumai makin pada mempiu pada pen kot sedon yang hak jumlah orang hikmat ke jongki nama kem Samla berpawai baru hati pun ke jumlah orang hikmat ke jongki pada pisau tu mentari sawan cepi kespen bit kisah yalam pakai pi pun kerokom badang NEHU pai doktor ki marway badang super kasih nomor way kam don jing phe pai ba ka shong ang jing slur ba ka jing scam ka nomrem ngile yu in pun pai lagi scam ka nomrem lagi don pale sa ka jing bot ban tray na ka ban ta policy henry kita pe tara ban ta politics ka umur jaga kin tray ta policy ka point pakin don na ban tray kam kudu ban thawa policy barwana ka roi ka kiyo henry ko ra pada ka conspiracy hai bobon kirukom hai bobon kipan sampuar lagi Islam kata besia salah iwe pak taman kebiar tetap do yang saya beliau kumakalong kumli kumalong mata wana mata tin pa ba kita ngom nei pa doktor ki marwi wana mata tin nama rejing sikan nomrem kade ko kong santam Wycliffe Uyuklat marwi uyak marwi YT marwi wokian namba YT marwi utirot siap turut sing uyak marwi wana try Jesus Christ support jong breyu uyak marwi na utare khot ta taw ba dewa thara upai ba mapiru marwei dia masih mekarai hai tu ikendong udan bai mano tang mapi isim prakti baru play pilih ya kabade nangai scam kinamrai tang ba pinrai ya kabade kumpa pidai kum kimik pa banai ki khot ong tang ba ai kabade kilong mikpat lu kidai banle ya la chok chala ban syakri ban ai ong tang ba le ban ai kabade mapiru kum kilong pa ki Samla pada khapasram doi pirat ke shopi na laim panchan tu mohor budam dan doi da pirat pada pangka Khubor kenapa kena pentingna bapin ai dia takarai ke bhara matam ke badai tam bakarai jok kiru kare karai ke bapiru village kalenti ban sektor yang akan beriu, yang akan celah, yang ikut kiti kami. Om nak masio, siapa makam sio, rei nama siapa makam susu. Baik pak.
The National People's Party (NPP) and the NPYF State Unit came together on March 12 to honor and commend Boniface Shulai, a talented football player who represented India in the recent South Asian Football Federation Under-16 event held in Nepal. Despite India's loss to Bangladesh via a penalty shot, Shillong exhibited remarkable dedication and skill throughout the tournament. The felicitation ceremony, attended by prominent NPP leaders including P. Renghang, General Secretary of the NPYF State Unit, along with leaders from Umroi, celebrated Shillong's unwavering commitment to the sport.
This one. This one.
Ribhoi Police, in continuation of investigations under Nongpo PS case number 25-3-2024, recovered small arms, gelatin sticks, detonators and HNLC flags alongside other incriminating materials. The seizure made during a house search prompted by the accused sheds light on a sleeper cell's involvement in hoisting HNLC flags under the direction of Bangladesh-based fugitives. The modus operandi indicates directives from abroad with promises of substantial monetary rewards and new vehicles to execute IED blasts. Investigations continue to delve deeper into this alarming revelation. The Nativity Higher Secondary School in Maukarwat is gearing up for a momentous occasion as it celebrates 50 years of educational service to the community. The managing committee has extended invitations to past pupils and current parents for the grand celebration scheduled for April 3, 2024 at 10 a.m. The festivities will include the opening ceremony of the school's 50-year milestone, showcasing its remarkable journey of imparting knowledge. Additionally, the event will coincide with the inauguration of the annual School Sports 2024, adding fervor to the celebrations at the school's ground in Maukarwat, Southwest Khasi Hills district.
Baca kiperlak perjar barak jang connectivity higher secondary school Maukarwat. Hak bakani ke school kan sarikhe yang momer jang ke jindap san pus nem jang ka hak ji syakri hak ne kadam kathan jongi namba ke jingnang jinsta. Jumta ke school managing committee bat angkat kena school bat kena hikai kin sapli ya kene ke jing rkhe ya ke jubilik siar hak alai trik yayam husnam ahjar husaw hak Khuborjylla bijen step hak kene ke madan jong ke school. Nomor kata nak kalian jong ke school managing committee rangkat bat kena hikai ni khat sobhai phi bar aki kena school ki barim rangkat ri phi ki kimi ki kwa jong ki kena school jong ke school jong ni lakin simban ta hak to ke sini dak wa prinsip pensingan lem ya kene ke jimpli perda tang ya hato hi kasni kan sadon ro atat ke jimpli ya kan wal sport school jong snam area prosau pot kene ke badan school Nativity Higher Secondary School Maukarwat Southwest Khasi Hills district untuk nak kat ni wari pi bar bat pensin benta bat pensin lem pension silem di kena school jami leisben brain kerku pi bar.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.